Oh my God.
Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Oh, that's one creation down. I got one more to go. What's up, guys? JSB the creator, and I'm back again with a new creation today for y'all. Sorry for all them shenanigans at the beginning of the video, but you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. But today's video, I'm gonna be working on a pair of LeBron 3s. And what I'm gonna be doing to them LeBron 3s today is, drum roll please. Can you guess what I'm gonna do? Lakers Media Day.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Yeah, another one. But listen, don't get me wrong now. I like working on LeBrons. It's just I've been working on a lot of LeBrons lately, so it's been like back to back to back to back LeBrons. You know, LeBron. That don't mean I'm still not excited to get to these, but I'm gonna be working on these Laker LeBron 3 Media Days. I don't know if y'all seen these before. LeBron went to, I think it was during the Summer League, and he rocked a pair of Laker Media Day LeBron 3s. I think this is when he first came to LA. So someone hit me up and was like, can I replicate that? And so I'm gonna try and replicate it on a pair of LeBron 3, the navy joints, and we're gonna try and make it cook. I'm gonna try my best to get it to the exact same way as that colorway, probably with my own little twist on it, because I don't, you know, want to make my stuff exactly the exact same way Nike does it or the exact same way someone else does it. I still want to add that uniqueness to it that sets it apart. So we're gonna try and cook that up. We're gonna try and see what we can do with it do, and we're gonna make it do what it do, because that's what we do. Feel me? All right, so let's make it do what it do. Doo-doo.
Your Highness.
Oh, I can't get enough.
Can't get enough.
Can we make
once again, thanks for checking out today's video on these LeBron Laker Media Day 3s. The pair I did has some slight differences than the original pair that he wore during the Summer League when he went to the Lakers. Just because of the base shoe being the Midnight Navies, making it a little bit more difficult to execute that colorway, but you know, I got it as close as I can to that exact colorway. So I'm pretty satisfied with how these came out. Yeah, I had to add the 3M laces on there to give it a little Showtime flair. You know what I mean? Lake Show, Showtime flair. You know, I'm a Heat fan all day, so this ain't got nothing to do with me. But yeah, man, if you like today's video, don't forget to do all that stuff that I usually say: like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, you don't have to like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta like it, you know what I mean? But if you enjoyed it, you know, show some love. But aside from that, yeah, I'm probably gonna go and ship these out, get these up out of here, and work on another pair of LeBrons, because that's what's coming up next. Another pair of LeBrons. This is the LeBron cycle. It's a factory over here. It's LeBron. They might get an interruption with something else, but it's a lot of LeBrons right now. So we trying to get this content up out the way. So I'm gonna go get to that. Y'all go get to whatever y'all doing. Peace.